What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Doyle back with another video. Today's video is going to be end of the month recap on some of the trades that I took this month, and I'm also going to slap a little vlog in at the end because this video I have to do a lot of shopping. I'm taking a trip tomorrow. I got a flight early in the morning. We're going outside the country. I'm super excited, and I need like a coat and a hat and just some winter wear because where I'm going is going to be extremely cold. But before we go out into the world, I want to back test some of these setups that I took and just review a couple of trades that I took for this month because this was obviously a good month. I'm gonna post my P&L somewhere over here, and we ended up closing with roughly 57K in profit. So pretty decent month for the first month of 2026. So let's go on the charts, and then after we get off of here, we about to go outside a little bit. So hopefully you enjoy this vlog. If you do, hit that like button, and yeah, man, let's get into it. All right, so when it comes to back testing over the weekends, I mainly spend roughly 30 minutes to an hour. I'm not on the charts crazy over the weekends. I just get the important stuff out and then just walk away. So the important things I'm looking for when I analyze on a trade, whether it win or lose, is what was the breaker structure? What was the EMAs on that winning setup or the losing setup? Where did the liquidity lie? Did the liquidity get taken out? And also, how long did it take for the trade to actually win? So this trade in particular, we took this trade January 15th, and it was a supply setup on the 1 minute, and we were going towards the 200 EMA. So this is the trade that we took. Okay, this is what we took. Now, why did I take a sell at this area? I took a sell roughly over here, and it ended up being a winner, but it also got choppy right after it went for a 1 and 2. Now, why did I take this trade? I took this trade because two things are happening. We have a change of character, breaking structure going the other way, and liquidity got taken out. So if you see this area over here, we have this liquidity grab wick right here, and then right after we got a break of structure. Okay, so we got two breaks of structure that's going the other way for sales, and then we have this low probability supply that holds the 50 SMA, and then it starts to break underneath the 13 EMA and start to drop. This seemed like a good setup only because of the structure. We was coming from an uptrend, okay? And then it just started breaking structure to the downside, grab liquidity, and then broke structure again. I'm gonna follow structure on the 1 minute. I took this setup only because of the structure. The EMAs aren't the best. The 200 EMA, the white one, is flat. When you see price like this playing around on it, that just know that you are in a ranging market or in a consolidating market. So this was a risky play and it ended up working out, but price definitely played around at the 200 EMA, just right there. But again, structure is important. If you don't understand market structure, it's going to be tough for you to understand when they're actually making a new low versus a liquidity grab. Like this is a liquidity grab. Okay, I'm gonna put an arrow on it just so you can see it. That is a liquidity grab. Okay, so that was all I needed to see. They took out buyers right here. They took out the traders that had a stop loss right here, and now they're ready to go the other way with the breaker structure. I like that. Okay, that was on January 15th. Okay, now this day, January 29th, it's a more recent setup. This setup, I like this setup only because we had a 1 minute demand and two breaks of structures that was going for buys. Okay, so this is just a typical market pattern right there. Like if you are going to keep making higher highs, you're going to stop at a demand zone, and hopefully when you get to that demand zone, you choose to hold on it and you start to push up. And that's literally what happened. This is a beautiful 1 minute demand zone, breaker structure, no candles closed inside of the zone, and it just started taking off. So we took this setup on live stream, and a lot of people made a lot of money off of this impulse right here. I like this trade only because that if the candle closed inside of the zone, I probably would have been a little bit iffy about it. But since they wicked it, I'm like, okay, I actually like this. This looks pretty good. The only bad thing about it is the location of the 200 EMA. It's kind of in the middle. When price is in the middle, look at the price. Look at price when it start playing around at the 200 EMA, it start getting choppy. But once it start trading above it, it starts to take off. So these two trades in particular, man, I feel like these was quality setups that we definitely made a lot of money on. And this one went up for what, a 1 to 3, and this one only went for a 1 to 2. If you're gonna compare these moving averages, the gold one is a little bit better. So That's pretty much all I wanted to explain on these two setups right here. Like, it was obviously more setups that we did take together, but these are just probably one of the most cleanest setups that I took this month. I was mainly trading on the 5 minute this month, but these two setups was 1 minute setups and they did pretty good. So I'm gonna leave that here, man. I'm definitely probably gonna do another end of the month breakdown for February, depending on what happens. But yeah, I try to keep it super simple. Like, I still love supply and demand, and I need my moving averages to look pretty good, man. But I'm gonna go ahead and get off the charts because I got some shopping to do. So, today's gonna be a good day, man. I got a couple of spots to stop at. I'm gonna be going to Bal Harbour. If you're in Miami, you know exactly where Bal Harbour is. I gotta go over there and buy 2 jackets and 2 hats. Hopefully, Bal Harbour have something, or I might have to go to Brickell. I don't know, but yeah, man. Let's go ahead and just head out, man. Let's get it. Oh, pretty good. Yep, there you go. All right, thank you. Like I said, we got to get 2 coats, 2 hoodies, and I got to get some gloves too. So, I don't know. I think I'm feeling, yeah, let's go to Louis Vuitton first before we go anywhere else. Go to Louis Vuitton. See what they got up in there. Hey, how you doing? You doing pretty good? Let me see, man.
I was thinking about getting like some Yeezy boots.
Some Yeezys?
Yeah, the Yeezy boots.
I don't think I've seen those.
I'm showing to you, they fire.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, man. I feel like they gotta end this style right here. Like, they gotta stop this, bro. Like, this gotta end, bro.
The trainer?
Yeah, bro. They done had these for way too long. I literally had like 4 pairs of those. I'm done with them shits. Bro, they better stop playing. Bro, these are filthy. You can literally get these at Walmart. You better stop playing.
No, these.
Yeah, nah. Not a fan of those. This is actually insane, though. They trying to switch it up, but nah, bro. They gotta look good.
No, these low-key look like Cortezes.
Facts.
Bro.
The Nike ones, facts.
They look like Cortez.
Facts, bro. Yeah, I'm actually cool. Do y'all have any like jackets or like coats or anything? Okay. Yeah, nah, it's fire, but nah, I need something thicker than that. All right.
You need like a jacket.
Yeah, like probably something like.
with some fur or something.
Yeah.
Like that, like some.
I don't think they have that here,
Yeah,
bro.
we won't really sell that much ready to wear. We will sometimes get a few pieces and that's it. We won't
Okay.
get much ready to wear.
Okay. All right. Appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, let's go to I don't know. We can try. We can go to Gucci and see if they got some. They might have something at Gucci. Men's is upstairs.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Marcia is over there. She's going to take care of you.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm holding on to my shoes. The world keeps turning. Oh, what a day! What a day! What a day!
That'll be it.
Yeah, that'll be all.
2771. Should be cash request.
Correct, sir. Yep.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
All right. Take care.
Thank you. it's kind of hard. Excuse me, do y'all have this in, I don't know what size this is, but I might need a small. That's the only one?
From the
Ooh, this is it.
Yeah, this is it for sure.
This is it right here.
Yeah, definitely need to get that. Yeah. I don't know what size.
That's an extra large. You need a small.
But I don't have it. Maybe this is a very nice.
Nothing
stock.
like that in a small? Nothing?
Dang.
No other
We
store?
don't have in this stock, right? The coat.
Dang. Like, every time. I'm sick. They just don't have your size right. Like, out here, bro, everything small sold out, bro. So we might have to go to the design district because Balenci don't got nothing. Neiman Marcus don't have anything. Shit, Gucci had a little bit, but like Louis Vuitton had nothing. Like, god damn, bro. Like, it's winter stuff, so you would expect for them to have it out here, but everything be sold out. So we gonna go ahead and head to Miami Design District and hopefully we get something good. So let's see. Thank you. All right. We about to find something this time, bro. We gotta hurry up because really we only got like 2.5 hours. So I think the Gucci here might have something that I like, or the Balenci here. So that jacket kind of tough.
Now that you getting money, how do you feel about wearing what people that get money wear? How has your perception of that changed? Like,
I mean, I don't care about that. What? I don't care about that. I would literally go to Nordstrom Rack, bro, get something clean, bro. Like, I don't care about that. None of this stuff mean anything. It's just, you want to just feel good in what you're in, you know? And so, you don't have to have no designer on it. It just do it feel good when you put it on. So I don't care about that designer stuff for real. Like, it just, I want to look nice on a trip out the country. That don't mean, like, we could really go to Zoomies or something. Like, we can go to PacSun. Like, for real. We don't have to be up in here. And guess what? If they don't have anything in here, I ain't gonna get nothing. Like,
how hard was it for you to settle down while being in Miami and also being financially stable to the point where you can have whatever you want?
I feel like, because when I first came to Miami, I was having fun, bro. I was having too much fun. But then I'm like, all right, for one, I feel like I'm spending too much money on women that probably, you know, they just want to have a good time. So I feel like I got familiar with just the Miami scheme. Like, girls just looking for guys to just, that's lit. And me personally, I just go off of vibe and energy, bro. So once I found my girl, yeah, that's not it. Once I found my girl and we was just vibing strong, it was just like, yeah, she worth just leaving the rest of them little bird brains alone. So I don't know, man. It just was in me for real. Oh, this the line?
Nah, you can walk in.
No, it's a line. Yeah, bro, this is a line, bro. Yeah, bro. Well, you can't just walk in. But yeah, I just feel like that was just something that I felt like I was ready to do. Like when I first came to Miami, I'm having a lot of fun, but I'm just like, you know what? I'm spending too much money, and I don't really like these women like that. Like, they cool, but I don't really like them like that. So I had my full experience. I had fun cutting up, having fun with, you know, just yachts and club and partying, but it got boring after a while. I ain't gonna lie. It got boring, so I feel like I graduated from it, for real. Like,
What is something in the next 2 years that you want to accomplish that you haven't
Honestly, I can't even answer that question. I'm not gonna lie. In 2 years, I don't know what I'm trying to accomplish. I'm just locked in, focused on trading, stacking up, building my portfolio, and just having a bigger net worth going into 30. But like, it's all about just getting more money. Like, I can't even really explain it. Like, we got to get to the bag. You know, honestly, I'm not gonna say, you know, I could be moving from Florida, but I could be moving from Florida. I don't know, but I just feel like I don't really have no crazy amount of goals for next year. It just run that bag up, increase that net worth, and just keep catching these setups. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I don't really have no crazy, no crazy like goals, bro. Not for real. Not for 2027. I can't even think about it. Like what? Like, I got the crib that I want. I got the car that I want. I got the woman that I want. Like, I don't know if I want to have any kids. Like I'm kind of complete. Like, I'm kind of like well-rounded in my life. So it's not like, ooh, that's something I really want. Like, okay, I'm good, bro. You got it on, my boy. You got it on. Now them shoes, hell no. But that coat, you him. You're him. I ain't gonna lie. I need to see how much it's going for, because, like, I think this probably going for like 6K, bro. This is too clean, bro. This is tough, man. This is tough. Man, where the help at, man? But for real though, I'm trying to see about that coat. It's tough, bro.
With the jury.
It is tough. Yeah, this gotta get got, man. I'm gonna get this. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. The brown and these?
Yeah. It's called coffee.
Nah, I don't really like that style. Nah, that coat is enough, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, that's tough. No, that's tough. So today, man, we really didn't get too much, man. The coat was probably the most expensive, man. This was $8,300, and then the hat and the sweater that I got from Gucci, that was like $2,700. So roughly, we spent about 11K, man. Like, which sounds crazy because it's only for one trip, but bro, them profits be hitting, man. I be trying to tell people, bro, you gotta get into this trading shit, man. Stop playing around.
And this before the trip.
This before the trip. Like, whatever we do out there, it's gonna be on top of what we just got. So, hey, man, y'all better give it the program, bro. You're not doing this with a regular job, man. I'm sorry. All right, so that's gonna be it on this vlog, man. We just went shopping, back tested a little bit, but for the most part, I'll be in the house. Like, I really don't be outside like that. Like, this is just for the trip. Most of the time, I'm in the house with my girl, my dog. We just chilling and vibing. But today, we just went a little shopping, man. I do have to do some more shopping because I only got that coat and I got that sweater and that hat. So definitely gonna do some more shopping. But it's just a typical boring day as a day trader, bro. Like, I don't really be doing too much. I just be just chilling, and every now and then I pop out, man. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a like. I'll see you on the next vlog, man. And that's pretty much it, man. That's all I got. Peace and love.